Welcome back to TWN TV. Today we are talking about snacks. Okay, snacks make the perfect bridge between meals. They keep us from becoming ravenous, cranky, and most importantly, from overeating. I usually recommend pairing foods together for snacks like yogurt and berries, fruit and nut butter, but sometimes we're on the go, we're at work, we're on the road, whatever it is. It's just not that easy to get those two foods. So today I'm showing you 7 foods that I always have on hand. They require no refrigeration, so they're perfect for keeping in your work desk or in the car, and they make sure that you're never, ever get desperate enough to head over to that vending machine. Okay, here we go. Number 1 are tiger nuts. So despite their crazy name, tiger nuts are actually a root vegetable. They're super rich in antioxidants and they have a sweet flavor. They are ridiculously high in fiber, 10 grams of fiber per serving, which is about 50 tiger nuts. They also are a good source of resistant starch, which basically means they work as a prebiotic in the gut, providing food for that good bacteria to thrive on. Number 2 are coconut flakes. And coconut meat is actually a saturated fat, but it's a special type, comprised mostly of medium chain fatty acids. So this is going to be a filling snack, yet it's going to have the ability to be used directly for energy. Just be sure to look for the unsweetened type. Number 3 is nori, and you can buy it just like this, but you probably know it as the stuff that's wrapped around your sushi. On its own though, it makes for a tasty, nutrient-dense snack. It's super low in calories, so this isn't going to be the snack of choice when you're really hungry. But like I said, it packs in a ton of amazing nutrients like the B vitamins, including B12, which is really hard to find in plant sources, plus trace minerals like zinc, which is great for immunity, and copper and selenium, which destroy free radicals in the body. Number 4 are pumpkin seeds, and you're going to want to look for the green variety. These are nutritional powerhouses, despite being these tiny little things. They are packed with fiber, protein, and minerals, again like zinc and manganese. They're also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, and that green variety even has chlorophyll, which helps to cleanse the blood. So number 5 are Brahmi beans. So Brahmi is actually the brand, and these are actually lupini beans, and they require no refrigeration. They come in delicious flavors, and they are the perfect on-the-go protein source. Number 6 are dried fruit like these. These are just strawberries, and they're just strawberries. And they're perfect when you need nothing else, just a little bit of sugar to keep going, or perhaps before jumping into a workout. Just be sure again to look for that no sugar added variety. Number 7, last but not least, Wasa crackers. You might be familiar with Wasa as a brand, but these are brand new and they're gluten-free. I personally love the ones with sesame seeds for a pop of protein, fat, and flavor. They can be eaten alone, of course, or as a vehicle for hummus, almond butter, or anything else you can get your hands on. Okay, there you have it, my top 7 unrefrigerated snack foods. Happy snacking, you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.